Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a busy diner kitchen. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a new line cook and an experienced line cook. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why do cooks in a busy kitchen shout out simple words like behind or corner all day? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Ellie. Are you ready for your first real morning rush?
I think so. I already checked all my stations.
Good. Let's look at your setup one more time before we open.
Okay, I have eggs, bacon, and pancake batter ready.
What about your tools? Do you have your spatula, your tongs, and a clean towel?
Yes, all of them are right here.
Great. This means everything is ready and in its place before you start cooking.
I remember that from training. Put everything you need close to you in the order you will use it.
Exactly. When the tickets start coming in fast, you will not have time to look for anything.
How busy does it get here in the morning?
Very busy. Our record for one morning rush is about 70 tickets.
70 tickets? That sounds like a lot.
It is a lot. But if we stay organized, we can handle it.
I hope I can keep up with you.
You will do fine. Just watch me first and then jump in.
Okay, what time do we open?
In about 10 minutes. The doors open at 7.
10 minutes. My heart is already beating fast.
That's normal. Every cook feels that before a big rush.
Did you feel nervous on your first day too?
Of course, everyone does. But after a while, it becomes normal.
I hope I get there soon.
You will. Now, let's check the grill one more time.
It looks hot and ready.
Perfect. Let's turn on all the burners and get the pans in place.
I am ready when you are. Should I also check the syrup and butter for the pancakes?
Yes, always check the small things too. Syrup, butter, jam, everything.
I already filled the syrup bottles this morning.
Perfect. What about your workspace? Is it clean and clear?
Yes, I wiped down my station before you got here.
Good habit. A clean station helps you move faster later.
I want to do everything right today.
You will. Just remember, if you get confused, ask me right away.
I will remember that.
Good. Here we go. The doors are opening now. Here comes the first ticket. 2 eggs over easy with bacon.
Got it. I will start the eggs now.
Wait, look at the next 3 tickets too. We have more eggs coming.
What do you mean?
I mean, do not just cook 1 ticket at a time. Look at everything on the board.
Okay, I see 5 tickets now.
Right. Let's count the eggs on all of them together.
This ticket needs 2 eggs. This one needs 2 more. And this one needs 2 eggs too.
So, that is 6 eggs all day.
All day? What does that mean?
It means the total number we need right now, across every ticket on the board.
Oh, I understand. So, if a new ticket comes in with more eggs, you add it to the count.
Exactly. We always know the all-day number, so we never lose track.
That is smart. It helps you cook everything at the same time.
Yes. Now let's start the pancakes too. 3 tickets need pancakes.
3 pancakes all day.
Good job. You were learning fast.
This is faster than I thought.
It gets faster. More tickets are already coming in.
I see them. The board is filling up.
Do not worry. Just keep checking the all-day numbers, and you will stay on track.
Okay, 6 eggs and 3 pancakes all day.
Perfect. Now flip those eggs. They are almost ready.
Flipping now.
Nice work. Let's keep this pace going. Now we have hash browns and toast coming in too.
How many hash browns all day?
Let's check. This ticket needs 1 order. This one needs 2.
So that is 3 orders of hash browns all day.
Right. And 4 pieces of toast all day.
I am understanding this system.
Good. It keeps us fast even when the board gets full.
I will remember that.
Always double-check the board before you plate the food.
This kitchen never stops moving.
Not during the morning rush, but that's what makes it fun.
Hot, behind you.
Oh, sorry, I did not see you.
No problem. That is why we shout.
You really scared me for a second.
I know, but it is better than us crashing into each other.
What was that word you said? Behind?
Yes, when I walk behind someone, I always say behind, so they know I am there.
That makes sense. This kitchen is so small and busy.
Exactly. We also say corner when we turn a corner and cannot see the other side.
And what about hot?
Hot means I am carrying something hot, like a pan or a pot. Stay away from me.
I think I heard that a few times already today.
You will hear it all day long. Every cook and server uses these words.
Is this only in this restaurant?
No, actually. Many busy kitchens use short safety shouts like these.
Really? Even in other countries?
Yes, it is a common safety habit in many places.
That is interesting. I never knew that before today.
It keeps everyone safe. No one gets burned and no one crashes into another cook.
I will remember to shout too when I carry something.
Good. It only takes 1 second, but it can stop a big accident.
Thank you for explaining that, Diego.
No problem. Now watch your back again. Hot pan coming through.
Got it. I'm watching. Do you ever forget to shout?
Sometimes when I'm very tired, but my body still remembers.
That is amazing. Your body just knows what to do.
Yes, after a few months, you shout without even thinking about it.
Are there other words you use here?
Yes, we also say order up when a plate is ready for a server.
I heard that one already this morning.
You will hear it many more times today.
This kitchen has its own language.
In a way, yes, it's a language of safety and speed.
Behind. Hot pan.
Oh,
Careful. I am right behind you.
I almost turned around without looking.
I saw that. Good thing I shouted.
That was close. The pan almost hit my arm.
Yes, it was very close. Are you okay?
I am okay, just a little surprised.
This is exactly what Diego told you about, right?
Yes, he explained the shouting rules to me a few minutes ago.
Perfect timing then.
I understand now why everyone shouts so much in here.
It only takes 1 second to say behind or hot, but it saves us from accidents.
I will remember to listen for those words all the time now.
Good. And remember to shout them yourself, too, when you carry something.
I will. I do not want anyone else to get hurt because of me.
That is the right way to think about it.
Should I check behind me before I turn next time?
Yes, always. Look before you turn and always listen for the shouts, too.
Okay, I will keep my ears open.
Good. Now let's get back to these tickets. We still have a dozen eggs all day.
Right, let's keep moving.
You are doing great, Allie. Keep paying attention.
Thank you, Sam. That was a good lesson.
Did the pan touch you at all?
No, it did not touch me. I moved just in time.
Good. That is the most important thing.
My hands are still shaking a little.
That is normal after a close call like that.
I will be more careful from now on.
You are already learning. That's the important thing.
I want to make sure this never happens again.
Keep listening and looking. That will help everyone stay safe.
I promise I will.
Let's grab more eggs and bacon from the walk-in.
Good idea. We're almost out at the station.
Here, take this box of eggs. I will get more bacon.
Thank you. Can we stand here for a minute?
Sure. This is actually a nice, quiet break.
It feels so different in here. So cold and quiet.
Yes, the walk-in cooler is the quietest place in the whole kitchen.
I did not think we would get any break at all today.
We do not get long breaks during the rush, just small moments like this.
I have not sat down one time since we opened.
You will not sit down for a while.
Really? For how long?
During a shift like this, I am on my feet for about 6 hours straight.
6 hours? Without sitting?
Yes, it is hard on the legs and the back, but you get used to it.
How do you have so much energy after all that?
Good shoes help a lot, and a lot of coffee.
I will remember that next time.
Okay, let's grab what we need and get back out there.
I'm ready. This little break really helped.
Good. Take a deep breath and let's go back to the grill.
Let's do it. Do you drink a lot of water during a shift?
Yes, I always keep a water bottle near my station.
I should do that too. My throat feels dry already.
Grab some water when we go back. It's important to drink enough water.
I will remember that next time.
Your body works hard during a rush like this, even if you do not feel it.
I definitely feel it in my legs already.
That feeling gets a little better every week.
I hope so.
It will, trust me.
Ellie, listen. Diego just called out something from the back.
What did he say?
He said, "Last ticket. That's it. We're clear."
Does that mean we are finished with the rush?
Yes. No more tickets are coming in right now.
That is such a good feeling.
Let's count all the tickets from this morning.
Okay, I will help you stack them.
This pile looks big. Let's count them together.
10, 20, 30, 40.
Keep going. I think we did more than usual today.
50, 60, 70.
We already passed our old record of 70.
Really? Let's keep counting.
75, 80.
81, 82. There are 82 tickets.
82? Are you sure?
Yes, I counted twice. 82 tickets total.
Wow, that is 12 more than our old record.
I cannot believe we did that on my first big rush.
Neither can I. That might be a new record for this kitchen.
I am so proud of us.
You should be. You worked so hard this morning.
We all did. You, me, and Diego.
Yes, this was a real team effort.
What was the biggest number you ever saw before today?
The old record was 70 tickets. That was from 2 years ago.
And now it is 82.
Yes, that is a huge jump.
I feel like we should celebrate.
Maybe with a cup of coffee once things slow down.
That sounds perfect.
I am going to write this number down in our notebook.
A new record on my very first rush.
That is something to remember.
82 tickets. I will remember this day.
Well, Ellie, we made it through your first big rush.
We did. I can finally relax my shoulders.
Yes, you can loosen your apron now, too.
This feels so nice. It is so quiet back here now.
This is my favorite part of the morning. after the storm.
That is a good way to describe it. It really did feel like a storm.
How do you feel about your first rush?
Honestly, it was hard. My legs are tired and my arms are tired too.
That is normal. It gets easier with time.
But even with all that, I actually had fun.
I'm glad to hear that. Not everyone enjoys a rush like this.
I liked working with you and Diego. It felt like we worked well together.
We did. That is the only way we get through a morning like today.
I learned so much today. The shouting, the all-day counting, all of it.
You learned fast.
Thank you, Sam. That means a lot to me.
You did great today, Ellie. Really.
I could not have done it without your help.
That's what teammates are for.
I am already looking forward to tomorrow's rush.
That's the spirit. Let's get some water and rest for a bit.
Sounds perfect.
What was the hardest part for you today?
Probably keeping track of all the all-day numbers at first.
That takes practice. You will get faster every day.
I hope so. I want to be as fast as you someday.
Give it time. I have been doing this for years.
I know, but today gave me a good start.
It really did.
Thank you for teaching me everything today.
Anytime.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why do cooks in a busy kitchen shout out simple words like behind or corner all day? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.